So soon after my mother's memorial lecture, in celebration of her life and legacy, I decided to visit one of the sites that happened to be at the core and center of her research with regards to the Igbo prehistoric origins of humanity and world civilization. And that site happens to be the Lejja prehistoric site. Some of you who have read the book Eden in Suma on the Niger would be very familiar with this site, even though you have not been here. And yes, for me, this is my first time. But when you see this site and its landmarks, I believe that you'll be able to recognize the landmarks from the images illustrated in the book. So here we are.